What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today's video, well, actually let me catch you up. So in the last video you saw me paint the cab of the truck, and yeah, it's had a couple days to cure and it looks really good. I just have the tape up for the doors still, but the paint is pretty flat. There's, it has a decent amount of orange peel, but that'll come out with some wet sanding and polishing. But it just sticks out, and that's what I love about it. So in today's video, you'll see me paint the bed, doors, there's a couple other things like door hinges, a little front piece, and fender flares, a couple different things, and I'm going to be doing that all today. So let me show you what I got going on. So here, bed, almost everything's prepped, by the way, too, because I did that almost all at once, but still have to go around with some degreaser, and then alcohol, and then tack cloth, the whole thing still. But I'm gonna set up a couple of the things in the bed area too to paint, like the mirrors and handles. But this is the setup I have for the doors, and they're in the exact configuration as they'd be on the truck. But I just made the frame out of a bunch of 2x4s. Don't mind the mess. A bunch of 2x4s and a big 2x6 going across. And yeah, they just rest on this inner piece of metal right here. And I just have some screws there, just in case it was to slide forward. But the outsides of all the doors are prepped. I just have to do the inside of the door jamb. But yeah, here's a couple of the other things that we have to paint. Got the door hinges. These are already degreased and cleaned to the best of my ability. The door handles are already prepped. And over here on the side of the Corvette, we got the mirrors that just need to be sanded, but they're already all taped off and everything. Yeah, so that's what we're gonna accomplish today. Hopefully I'll also be able to start cleaning up some of this mess, because the place is a wreck. I mean, just look, there's like literally bricks, weights everywhere. It's so shit, but whatever. Next morning, everything's set up, ready for paint, taped off, at least as far as I know. And just got done tack clothing everything and then degreasing with alcohol, and we're gonna start mixing up the paint. All I know is it's a lot of stuff. I'm gonna be here for probably 2 hours, I bet, doing everything. 3 coats. I mean, this should be easy, just a couple passes. But, like, so much stuff. So, let's go, no time to waste. I'm gonna go. I'm gonna be doing this door first. All right, so a couple of hours later, and we're back, and everything's painted. Well, mostly. After or upon closer examination, there's only one run I'm able to identify. I mean, obviously plenty of orange peel, but right here, it's very minimal compared to the runs that are on the truck. But I'm gonna have to go back real quick and do some recoating because there's some areas like right here that I need to do better, that I kind of missed, and a little area underneath there, and I think one other spot right here. But I'm gonna do that, and then we'll take it off. Oh yeah, and finally take down this thing, because oh my god, was this a problem. It did its job though, and I appreciate it. Thank you, Tim. But it's time for you to go. Gotta go.